Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News. I'm your host, and we've got a story that's going to blow your mind. Imagine having a conversation with someone across town without needing to make a call. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but it's actually a real feature on the Apple Watch. Now you might be thinking, wait, didn't I just hear about walkie-talkies? Those old-school radio devices that let you communicate in real time? Well, yes and no. The Apple Watch does have a similar feature called Walkie Talkie, but it's been around since watchOS 5 was released back in June 2018. What's crazy is that most people didn't even know about this feature until now. It was recently rediscovered by a TikTok user who uploaded a video testing the Walkie Talkie app, and the results are hilarious. She was chatting with her friend about what to wear and received instant replies. You might be wondering why Apple never marketed this feature more, but that's exactly what one commenter said: they got sold on watching the video. And another user joked that if only they had known about it years ago, they would have bought an Apple Watch a long time ago. So, how does it work? Well, to use the Walkie Talkie feature, you need an Apple Watch Series 1 or newer with watchOS 5.5 or the latest update. It's also worth noting that this feature isn't available in all countries or regions. If you're having trouble finding the Walkie Talkie app or feature, just check on Apple's support page to see if it's supported in your area. Now we know some of you might be thinking, wait, what about security? Is this feature vulnerable? Fortunately, there are a few precautions you can take to avoid any sudden jump scares. To turn off the walkie-talkie function whenever it's not being used, simply open the app and slide the walkie-talkie button to off. Alternatively, you can do it via the control center by pressing the side button of your watch, scrolling down, and tapping the walkie-talkie icon. And there you have it, a feature that's been hiding in plain sight all along. Other Apple Watch features like digital keys, family setup, fitness tracking, health monitoring, sleep tracking, SOS, and emergency detection are pretty cool too, but let's be real, who wouldn't want to use the Walkie Talkie app? Thanks for watching Watchwire News.